Okay, we're going to use this video to give you an up-close look at this clock that we just finished the restoration on. It's a very special drop dial cuckoo clock which was made by Johann Beha. And the clock is dated 1867. It was originally retailed by the Morath brothers in Liverpool. You see the carvings are exquisite. It has this beautiful motif. The bird in the top with oak leaves that twist and wrap. Down here you have a fox with a fence, and he has a fowl in his mouth. Just exquisite carving work. And this carving style is just very typical of what you would find on a Beha cuckoo clock from the 1860s. It's called a drop dial cuckoo because the case extends below the dial and covering the pendulum, or encasing the pendulum. You can see here is a bottom access door which opens up, giving access to the pendulum to start and stop the clock. You can see on that access door is the Morath Brothers retail label, and it is dated July 31st, 1867. Right at the top. So this is a very early cuckoo made by Beha with its original retail label. Clock uses a wood plate 50-hour movement. Nice set of double doors with a very large oversized cuckoo bird. Anyway, we'd like to set the clock off so you can hear it in action. This early cuckoo clock only strikes the full hours, which is correct for an early Beha cuckoo. So it does not strike the half hours. Open up the side door here. You can see there's two night shut-off levers. One will disable the cuckoo call, and the other one disables the strike. So you can disable the strike if you don't want the gong. The cuckoo will still continue to call. Or you can disable the cuckoo and leave the gong just for some variation there in the cuckoo call. It's a beautiful example again of a cuckoo clock made by Johann Beha. We specialize in the acquisition, the restoration, and the sale of antique cuckoo clocks. You can contact me through my website, which is blackforestclocks.org. We have photos of this clock before and after the restoration. When it came to us, it was busted into many pieces. The finish was very tired and worn. The movement was incomplete, filthy dirty, had multiple issues to the mechanics. And you can see after a restoration, the clock is beautiful but not over-restored. It retains its integrity. And it's ready to be enjoyed once again.